Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very nice day on this one. Put in some higher highs here. That's always a good thing. And did this analysis previously, so updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is actually just some house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update I'm going to do is actually a bit of an adjustment. And the question just becomes, well, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And after today's price movement, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of resistance now up to that area there at $1.92. And not to insult your intelligence, but you saw me adjust that level in the upwards direction. And that's always a good sign. Assuming you're bullish, you want to see levels of resistance that need to be adjusted higher and higher. And that is, definitely the key area to now watch moving forward. And that's just a good bullish dynamic to have to adjust that area of resistance in that upwards direction. The other dynamic here that needs to be updated is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support going forward is now going to be here at that $1.60 mark, and that's what I would consider the ideal level. If I ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And definitely, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above $1.60, that would be fantastic. But if the price drops below there, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would be a great sign of power. Looking at everything and taking a step back and looking at it from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself as time goes by. So when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is exactly what's being represented. So all in all, nice movement today, higher highs, higher lows, and at the end of the day, that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.